My name's Mike Starkey from Brownsburg, Indiana. Long-time no-till farmer here just on the west side of Annapolis. The event we're hosting today is conservation for landowners. The education of landowners of what myself and others do in a no-till environment to show them the soil health that we're providing to their land, and also the benefits of improving their land and water for the next generation. The point of all this is really because 2/3 of my land that I farm is rented. And I thought, besides giving them a rent check, they need to see the benefits of what I'm providing besides income to them and me farming their soil. And I just felt that landowners in general need to realize that the tenant that farms their ground is doing good things to their soil besides just giving them a rent check. This is a workshop not for Starkey Farms. This is for all landowners that rent their ground out. And there's only so many farmers out there that can take the information that we do and show and educate others about. I felt that landowners, are a lot more than farmers out there, can actually hear what is happening to their soil. And they can take that to others, their neighbors, hopefully their legislators, to provide. They are voters. There's a lot more voters out there that are landowners than farmers. And therefore, I thought this is a great opportunity to provide that opportunity to educate others. You got to get to thinking, okay, what do landowners want to hear? And so instead of talking about how to improve their equipment for no-till, or what kind of cover crop seed to purchase, so on and so forth, that type of agenda, they want to hear an agenda, about their farm, their soil, their water, and hopefully transition their tenants in providing the soil health practices that I do. Contact your county and get a landowner list. I actually personally contacted all my landlords and a lot of neighboring landowners in our county through our soil and water conservation district, because we know who owns the land. It's public information. So we just went directly to the landowners and sent the email out and sending the agenda with the invite. What we're providing is good things, and there's hope out there that their ground, their soil is going to be better today, even better tomorrow, by educating them of the type of farming that we do, so they can pass it on to their next generation to keep it. If they want to keep it as farm ground, fantastic. If they want to sell it for development, that's their business. But overall, let them know that as farmers, we are doing good things for their soil and water.